Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the karaoke text animation using the CapCut. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can open this CapCut first, and here I am accessing it with my smartphone. And after that you can start to go to this new video, and I will choose the library to choose the video preferences they have, for example. And here I will choose this clip and click add. And after that it will bring you into this section, which is the project. And after that you can start to put your text. For example, let's say this karaoke can be applied, let's say, for your video music, or even let's say for your prayer or the video prayer. For example, I will type dear God, apply to it, and I will add the another text. I miss you, for example, like this. And I will put it beside this first text, and I will add the another text. Give me the blessings. I will adjust the space first. For example, like this. And after that, you can start to put the effect of the karaoke. You can go to this animation, but make sure that the text still being selected. Go to this animation. And after that, in the searching section, if you don't find this one, don't worry. You can click this searching section and type karaoke, and you can choose this one. And this will be the karaoke effect we have. And you can also adjust the speed for this karaoke. Which one do you prefer? The more the scale to be moved to the left, so the movement gonna be faster, guys. And I will apply to it. And you can also do the adjustment, let's say for the color. Apply the karaoke first, and for example, I will choose the color, let's say, to be black, like this. And still this is about the speed scale. And for the another text, still do the same. Choose the karaoke and change the color. So that's all, guys. This will be the karaoke text effect we have. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. Don't forget to try this tutorial, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.